So in this today's class, we are going to discuss about the company creation in Tally and data backup. So the company which we are creating in the Tally, the data we need to backup, right? So these two topics will be covered in this particular video. Okay. Before going into this, I need to inform you about one very good tool for practicing, right? So we use simulation software. Okay, what is this simulation software? In this simulation software, you can practice literally just like original website, right? For example, for GST filing, you can see the government portal, right? You can file GSTR1 and GSTR3B in the government portal, but you cannot practice. You don't have any source for the practice, right? Now you have this simulation software. It will be just look like the government website. You can file your GSTR1, you can file GSTR3B, you can file number of times. You can have lot of practice. Okay, for the Tally, even GSTR returns, next ESAPF returns, income tax returns, you can practice literally live. Okay, so there are so many case studies in the simulation software. Let me show you for the Tally. Okay, so here you can see the simulation software, right? So this is the simulation software which we are providing to the students. Now you see here, you can see the lot of text. So these are the chapters we can see here. Okay, lot of scenarios we are having. So very step by step, you see. So here you see installing the Tally. We have step by step, right? Install Tally, configurations, everything we have right here. So next, so company creation, we do have step by step, and for explanation also we have lot of videos. So here guys, if you see here, you can see the lot of videos for the training purpose. Okay, see here literally they are explaining how to create a company video, right? If you are not knowing about, by seeing all these things, you can directly view the video and you can practice. Okay, so totally this is completely a self-study material, guys. So you can test your knowledge by seeing the MCQs. Okay, if you give correct MCQ answer, here the coins, you can add the coins here. See, everything you have. So in the video there will be clear explanation. So how to do these things. So theory as well as the video. You can easily practice by yourself. Okay, so here everything will be there, and the most essential thing is you have the task. You can create using these practical scenarios. You need to identify, you need to understand the question, and you need to create the answers. You need to create the company. So here you see you have answers also. Okay, you have answers also. So 100% self-study material. Okay, 100% self-study material this is. Without any guidance, you can learn from this directly. Not only for the Tally, we do have for the GST, we do have for the income tax filing. So literally you can able to file your GST returns without any guidance by using these softwares. Okay, you can learn from these softwares. Now, how to enroll for this software? If you want to purchase this simulation, or if you want to get access for these materials, so where you can find, you can just simply go to our website. So www.vijayasrieducare.com. So this is our website. So if you just view our website, so this is our website, guys. If you go to the website, immediately you can find here the study kits. You can see here, right? So immediately you can find here the study kits. So for financial statements and MS report, you have study kit, income tax filing, TDS filing, ESAPF filing. For everything, for every chapter we have study kits, guys. So based on the study kits, you can easily prepare any topic. So for Tally also we have the study kit. If you purchase or if you get access for the study material, it will be very easy for you to learn any topic. So you can understand by seeing the lectures only, you can understand so how important this is for getting trained. Okay, if you think really it will be useful, then you can purchase and you can take self study by your own. Clear? No, so now let's come to our class. Okay, so company creation and data backup. Now how to create a company. So what we will be doing is, see here we have some question for practice, right? Here you see here task to complete. We'll do the problem here, ready-made problem we are having, right? So the same problem we can do it in our Tally also. So here what they have given, you see. So here you see. So create a company. What is the task they are given? Create company in Tally Prime, in Tally using the details given below. So here we have some details. We need to give these details in Tally and create a company. So now we are doing the same task. So here after opening the Tally software, so here how to create a company. So now see here we are going to create one company in Tally. So create company, you need to select this. Okay, so here is the details. So what is it is asking? It is asking for the entering the name of the company. So Fincurious Innovations, right? Fincurious Innovations. So this is the company name and we need to fill the address, right? So hash 258/1 first floor, near 31E bus stop, See guys, you no need to give in one line. You can go in the go with the second line also. Tyaga. So let's type it directly here. THYAGRAJ Nagar, RAJ Nagar. Okay. This is some Bangalore based, right? So second block Bangalore. So Bangalore. Okay. So if you mistakenly if you go down, so you see here by mistake you did enter, so cursor went down, right? If you want to go back, so you can type just backspace. If you enter just backspace, so you can move up and down. Enter means you will go down, backspace means you can go up. Okay, now you need to select the state. So here state, what is the state? Karnataka, right? So if you get this list, from this list you need to select the Karnataka. You no need to search like this. Okay, you no need to search like this. If you just type the letter K, okay, if you type just the letter K, you can identify the Karnataka. Here you see, so Karnataka, you can just select that Karnataka and if you press enter, that's it, simple. By mistake, if you select Karnataka, if you want to select Andhra, then by mistake if you select Karnataka, now you see here, if I go with arrow keys, what happens here, if you want to go up, if you press up arrow, you see you are changing here. Okay, you are changing here. So if you go with the arrow keys, this is the problem, guys. See, in the list you are changing, so this should not be happen, right? So that's why if you go with the backspace button, see, without having any problem, you can able to move. This is the thing you need to understand while creating with the list. Okay, so here Karnataka is there. Okay, so India. Next, pin code, you need to give the pin code 560028. So 560028. Okay. Next, phone number, no telephone number, only phone number, 999900008797. So 8797. No fax. So email you are having support@fincuriouspro.com. email support@fincuriouspro.com. Okay, we do have website, I think. Yeah, we have website fincuriouspro.com. so www.fincuriouspro.com. yeah, that's it. Okay, date of incorporation of financial year. So here what I am telling is, so suppose if you have the date of incorporation also, now here what I am telling is, for any business, the financial year will be beginning from 1st April 2000, whatever year it may be. So we can have, we need to give it 1st April 2024, right? So books beginning from means whenever the transactions takes place, the priority, first transaction takes place, that is the point where the books is beginning from, right? So suppose here you see from the May your books are beginning, you can give it as May, 1st May here. But what happens now, if there are any transactions prior to May, so preliminary some expenses will be there, you might incur for the business, for starting the business, there may be some expenses before May, there are some invoices. So if you give directly the 1st May here, you cannot enter before May transactions, understood or not? So what my suggestion is, whatever the financial year date you are giving here, the same day you give here also, then you may not find any difficult while giving the transactions. Okay, while giving the voucher entries. Okay, after giving all the transactions, simply, okay, after giving all the transactions, just wait. Simply you can just accept. If you accept only, all these changes will get saved in the tally. If you go back without accepting this, no data will be saved. Okay, so you need to accept it. Accept means you just type enter, so company will be saved. Okay, after saving this company, you will be asking some additional features. Okay, what are those additional features? Let me tell you. If you purchase from new mobile, first time when you switch on the mobile, it will be asking some features, right? Type the mail ID, login with mail ID, or you can add internet or what, Wi-Fi. Okay, some profile settings will be there. So if you want to add those profile settings, you can go with the settings, or you can skip that, right? So even for this tally, when the company is created, there are some features will be there. If you are maintaining only accounts without inventories, so inventory options you can switch off. Okay, you can set as no. If you don't have any GST registration is not there, so no point of keeping yes for the GST options, so you can switch off the GST options. So here my question is, once we switch off the transaction, once we set no for the option, later can we change it or not? Definitely you can change it. So whenever is there any necessary, you can just simply come to this features option. Okay, I will just show you in the next screen. Features option, you can just type yes, the options will be activated. once the options is activated, you have to save the screen definitely. In Tally, every screen you need to save it. Now if you want, after some days, if you want to activate some other features, just you need to go here. Company is there, right? Here you see the top left side, the company. So you need to go here and you can see here the features. So the features, so see, we got the same screen. Here you can type, you can change the option, yes. So the options got activated and you can save the screen. That's it. If you activate GST, you need to give some additional options. So GST details and all. If there are details, you just give. So save. That's it. So company is created. This is as simple as this. So in Tally Prime, it is very easy to give the features or activate the features. But before Tally Prime, when you are using the ERP9 or previous versions, those features are not available there. We need to go to the some other screen. Okay, we need to activate it. So here in Tally Prime, it is very simple to create a company. Okay, so hope you guys understand the company creation. Okay, now how to do backup. Now we have created the company, right? We can back up this company. How to back up? Now you see here there is a data option, right? After creating the company, we have the backup option. So here the data. So if you go to the data, you have backup option right here. So if you select that backup option, you see here. So what it is asking? It is asking for backup destination path. So it is asking where you want to save your backup file. So you can directly save it to your pen drive, or you can directly save it to another drive other than C drive. So here you can select it. So I want to back up that particular file in the desktop. So I will select the desktop. Okay. So I am selecting the desktop. So here you see. So here you can find the list of companies right here, right away. You see here. So this is the company which we have created now. So this particular company I want to back up. So I want to select it. So I have selected. So here you see. So if you enter again, these remaining companies also will go here. It will be selected. So what you need to do is you need to select the end of the list. That's it. We want to create only one company, right? Backup. So here if you go with accept yes, that's it. See, company is backup. You did the backup. Now let us check whether the file we can visible or not. Here you see, if you go to the desktop, you see here TBK file. You see how to identify this company code is there. See 100000, 5 zeros are there. So this is the company code. We need to identify based on this company code only. For every company in Tally, there will be one code. Based on that code only, you need to identify your company. So this is the backup file. Okay. Now what we need to do is we can delete this company from the Tally and we can reinstall it from the backup file. So what we can do it? See how to delete it. Just go to the company option, go to alter. So the company created right here. So right away you need to press Alt plus D in the keyboard. Alt key and D letter. So you get this delete. Yes. Are you sure? Yes, I want to delete. Now you can see we can't find our company. So here you see there is no company name with Fincurious. So there is no company. So now how to restore that company? So we have the backup data, right? Here it is in desktop. Here it is in desktop. We have backup file, right? So that backup file we can restore it. So from where? So here you can see, go to the data. So we have restore option. So restore. Okay. It will ask for the destination. So the destination is different. See users public Tally Prime data. In this path we don't have any backup file, right? So now you need to select your backup path. So select where you have file, desktop, right? So desktop. So here you see the backup date and backup time we can see here. So you need to select that backup file. So here you can't see any in the desktop, you can't find any name or company name, you cannot see. Only if you go through the tally only you can able to see this name. We need to identify based on this code. See here 1 000 000 100 right? So the same code you can file, you can see it in this file. See 000 okay. So based on this code only you need to identify the data. Now you see, so select and again end of the list, enter. Okay, now you see, just refresh the data. So you can see here, you can able to file our company, you can able to see our company. If you open, see our company you got back, FinCurious. So this is one of the way of backup our data, company's data. This is the first method. So simply you just go to the data option, backup the file, and whenever you want you can restore your file. Okay, you need to save your backup files, so wherever you want. Okay, this is one part. And the second one, so if you remember, we have saved all our tally files in one path, C drive. Okay, users, public, tally data. Now you see here, so go to the C drive. Okay, if you go to the users, public, tally prime, data, this is the path you have seen before. So here you see, this is the path. Okay, you can find all your tally data. So see here, we have our data also. This is the company we have created, right? We need to identify based on your folder only. Okay, from this folder, from this path, you can copy your data. This particular folder you can copy and you can store it anywhere. Okay, now what happens now? See here, now what you are doing, I am I am take off from here and I am pasting it in desktop. So I am removing this particular folder, I am removing that particular company folder from path. So this action, because the folder or file is opened it in another program. Now what I am doing is, okay, close the company. So see here we got the file here. Okay, so in tally, one second, let's open the tally file. So if you check in that path, you can't find the company folder because we have removed that folder from that path and we have saved in the desktop. So from the desktop itself you can directly open your company. So here you are selecting from the drive, right? So select from drive. So desktop, you can see here FinCurious. Okay, if you want to send the tally data to someone, this is the process you need to follow. So you need to go to the path, you need to copy. You should not cut the folder, you need to copy the folder. If you cut the folder, you know what happened, you can't find your data again. So you need to copy your data and you need to share it to someone. So this is the process of back up the data or creation of company. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubts in this particular video, you can just get back to us through the website, or you can attend the doubt solving session. Okay, thank you.